Okay, so we're back at the Red Square. That building up there says GUM. It's a big shopping center that stretches from that end, right there, all the way to that other end. And in the Red Square ahead is also a museum. At the very end where you see it, it looks like a little kind of church thing. And over here, where you see that small pyramid, right in front, dead straight, is Vladimir Lenin's mausoleum. He was the one who helped arrange the October Revolution, I believe, with the Bolsheviks rising. Yeah, so that's when Soviet Russia was born. Behind that is what's it called? The Kremlin is behind there. And of course, we have St. Basil's Cathedral straight over there. One of the most iconic things in Moscow. And from time to time, I feel that clock tower, I hear it chiming. So I think after every 15 minutes or every quarter, it chimes. So it just finished chiming, and we came at a good time because the weather here looks really nice. Looks really cool. But yeah, this is the Red Square at Moscow. Actually, this GUM shopping center is where I want to head back to get some people, some stuff. But I heard from other Russians that it's actually quite expensive shopping there. So yeah. And the other day I actually bought an ice cream there for 100 rubles, which is about €1. And I don't know, you tell me if it's expensive or not. But yeah, I don't know. Definitely worth another shot. Now I'm just going to be walking around. A lot of military people here. But I'm also taking in the scenery because it is kind of beautiful. And it's a nice day today too.